was asked to do a tutorial on how to make brushes in Clip Studio, and we will do a simple one like this where you have a clear image, so pretty simple. So you start by opening a new canvas. We will make the size 1000 by 1000 pixel. So now that the drawing is finished, you will make sure, to put everything on one single layer, because we are now going to copy our image, and we're doing this by selecting the select tool here, selecting the whole area, pressing Ctrl C, and then opening a new image. Now same size, everything, but you have to change this into gray. This is really important, otherwise it will not work. Press OK, press on your keyboard Ctrl V, and there's your image. It looks exactly the same, but this is pretty important if you want to make a colored brush. So select the layer with your drawing here, edit, register material image. So we're gonna name it chicken, you can name it however you want. We will check scale up and down so it changes sizes, and we will use for brush shape. This is the important part. You can check anything here if you want to, but you don't have to. I have here my own folder for my own brushes. I select it. Then I give some text, like I always make, write my name down so I can find all my brushes pretty easily. We will again chicken, and then maybe a cute or whatsoever. Now press OK, and we have now our chicken as material. You can see it here. Here's our chicken. You can see here's my folder with all my own brushes. Now we are looking for a brush that works pretty much as the one we are trying to make ourselves. For example, this should be by default installed in Clip Studio Paint. We take the hard brush because I imagine this would be a nice brush just with chickens instead of hearts. That's what I'm going for. So we select this brush, copy it by dragging it down here. I'm gonna name it chicken. I leave everything like it is because it's okay, it's fitting, and okay, so we have two exact the same brushes. The only difference is this is named chicken. I'm gonna drag it I guess here, because I have my own folder for my own brushes. Here are my brushes, this is my brush, here my brushes, so this will fit there too. Now we're going to click here, and you see all the brush settings. We will click on brush tip, and here's the heart. We don't need it, so we import by clicking here our chicken. Here it is. Just select it, click OK. Oh, it looks actually pretty cute with the hearts. So maybe I'll leave it. You know, we can test it already. This looks cute. And I guess if I change the color, it should only change the hearts but leave the chickens the same. Oh, that's so cute. So if you don't want it, you of course can just delete delete the heart, and now we have just the chickens as brush. This is pretty much all to do a simple brush like this. You can combine brushes. Like here I did a lot of painting just like I showed you, and use them all, so we can add our chicken here. Chicken, so. And now if we use this brush, there will be a chicken at some point. Here, there are chickens. And it's so cute. So it's basically the easiest way to make a brush. It's just for decorations, purposes and stuff like this. I can make a tutorial on how to make more complicated brushes for painting and stuff. If you want, you know, like stuff like this for painting, and yeah, but that's it, I guess.